Good morning, good noon, good evening, friends. Today I'm going to share with you how to replace the rear brake. First, we need to pull this protective cover off. Then use an 8mm wrench to loosen this part here. Then cut this part here. For example, this part has already been cut off. So we can take out these parts. Remember to store them well and don't lose them. Unwind the coil. Next, as shown in the video, remove the screws from these parts. Then pull out the brake cable. Then remove the screws from these parts and pull out the entire brake. Now let's start replacing the new brake. As shown in the video, remove the screws from these parts. Then insert the wire and install it from back to front. Remember to tighten the screws, otherwise there may be safety hazards. Finally, install these parts, thread them from large to small, then put this rubber sleeve on this ring. This screw needs to be removed first, then insert it in. Remember to insert it horizontally and flat, then tighten the screw. That's it, all done.